Hey everyone, welcome back to Iroon Wheel. If you're new here, this is the channel where we talk about the bikes that actually get the blood pumping, the machines that make you want to cancel your plans, gear up, and just ride. And today, we've got something seriously special to talk about. Yamaha has just brought back one of the most iconic names in motorcycle history, and honestly, the timing couldn't be better. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Yamaha DT 175. Now if that name doesn't give you chills, stick around, because by the end of this video, it absolutely will. Before we get into the details of this new machine, let's take a second to appreciate what the DT name actually means. For a lot of riders around the world, the Yamaha DT series wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a way of life. It was the bike that introduced an entire generation to the joy of off-road riding. It was light, it was tough, it was simple, and most importantly, it was fun in a way that bigger, heavier bikes just couldn't match. Yamaha eventually moved on from the DT lineup, but the legend never really died. Riders kept talking about it, kept restoring old models, kept asking when it would come back. And in 2026, Yamaha finally answered that question. The moment you see the 2026 DT 175 for the first time, something clicks. This bike doesn't look confused about what it wants to be. It stands tall and narrow with that classic dual sport posture, a high front fender, slim body panels, a flat seat, wire spoke wheels, and an upright stance that immediately tells you this machine was built for more than just smooth tarmac. Yamaha has clearly drawn deep inspiration from the original DT series, and that retro DNA runs all through the design. But they haven't just made a nostalgia piece. Look closer and you'll spot the LED headlight sitting sharp up front, the clean digital instrument cluster, and the updated graphics that give the whole package a fresh, modern edge. It's a really clever balance, old soul, new skin. The fuel tank has that compact, muscular shape that lets you grip the bike tight when the trail gets rough, and the overall ergonomics feel welcoming whether you're a brand new rider or someone who's been doing this for decades. Yamaha clearly puts serious thought into making this bike look the part without losing any of its functional character. Now let's talk about the engine, because this is where things get really interesting. Yamaha has equipped the 2026 DT 175 with a modern 175 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected motor. The expected output sits at around 18 to 20 horsepower with approximately 16 Nm of torque. Now I already know some of you are raising an eyebrow at those numbers, so let me put it in perspective. This bike is expected to weigh somewhere between 130 and 140 kilograms fully fueled. On a machine that light, 18 to 20 horsepower feels incredibly alive. The power delivery is smooth, linear, and predictable, exactly what you want whether you're filtering through city traffic or picking your way through a rocky trail. Fuel injection makes a huge difference here as well. Cold morning starts, high-altitude mountain passes, unexpected rain, the DT 175 just handles it all without hesitation. The throttle response is crisp, fuel consumption stays low, and emissions are kept in check. Yamaha has also paired that engine with a 6-speed gearbox that gives you genuine flexibility across different riding situations. The lower gears pull strongly for climbs and tight technical sections, while the upper gears let you sit comfortably on paved roads cruising between 90 and 110 km per hour. It's a transmission setup that respects the dual nature of the bike completely. When it comes to how this motorcycle actually performs across different environments, the story gets even better. In urban riding, the DT 175 is a genuinely practical machine. It's narrow enough to move through traffic with confidence, light enough to maneuver without effort, and the upright riding position gives you excellent visibility over surrounding vehicles. Parking is never a problem, and the fuel efficiency means you're spending less time at the pump and more time actually riding. On open roads and highways, the bike holds its own comfortably. It's not built for triple-digit speed runs, but for daily commuting and weekend trips it has more than enough performance to keep things enjoyable. And then you take it off-road, and suddenly everything makes complete sense. The long-travel telescopic forks up front and the monoshock rear suspension are tuned specifically to deal with the kind of punishment that off-road riding throws at you. Rocks, roots, ruts, mud, the suspension absorbs it and keeps the tires connected to whatever surface you're crossing. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear are the classic dual-sport combination for very good reason. They give you better obstacle clearance, improved balance on loose terrain, and a natural, planted feel when the going gets rough. You can stand on the foot pegs and ride actively, and the bike responds exactly how it should. Yamaha has clearly set up the rider triangle with real off-road use in mind, and that attention to detail makes a genuine difference when you're out on a trail. Braking on the 2026 DT175 comes from disc brakes at both ends, and many markets are expected to receive dual-channel ABS as standard. What makes this setup particularly smart is the switchable rear ABS system. On wet or slippery tarmac, you want that ABS active. It gives you controlled, safe stopping power even in emergency situations. But when you're off-road, sliding the rear wheel is sometimes exactly what you need to navigate a corner on loose gravel or sand. With switchable rear ABS, you get to make that call yourself. It's the kind of thoughtful engineering that shows Yamaha actually understands how people use this type of motorcycle in the real world. The technology on board keeps things purposeful without overcomplicating anything. The digital LCD instrument cluster displays your speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, trip data, and maintenance reminders. The screen is clear and easy to read whether you're in direct sunlight on an open road or riding through shaded trails in lower light. Yamaha hasn't loaded this bike down with features that have no business being on a dual sport machine. Instead, they've focused on giving riders exactly the information they need, presented cleanly and accessibly. Fuel economy deserves its own mention here because it's genuinely impressive. Riders can expect somewhere between 35 and 45 kilometers per liter depending on riding style and conditions. Combined with a fuel tank that holds around 10 to 12 liters, the DT175 gives you a real-world range that takes away the anxiety of longer rides in areas where fuel stations are spaced far apart. For adventure riders heading into rural or remote terrain, that kind of range and efficiency matters enormously. The low running costs, affordable maintenance, and lightweight construction all add up to a motorcycle that's genuinely easy to live with day after day. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Yamaha DT175 is expected to enter international markets starting at around $4,999. Regional pricing will naturally vary depending on local taxes, import duties, and market-specific specifications, but as a base figure that positions the DT175 as one of the most accessible and genuinely capable dual-sport options available right now. When you stack up what this bike offers, the heritage, the modern engineering, the off-road capability, the fuel efficiency, and that iconic styling, the value proposition is hard to argue with. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Yamaha DT175 is not trying to be everything to everyone, and that's exactly why it works. It has a clear identity, a clear purpose, and it delivers on both with real conviction. Whether you're someone who grew up dreaming about the original DT series, a newer rider looking for a first adventure bike with genuine capability, a daily commuter who refuses to ride something boring, or a weekend warrior who wants a lightweight trail machine that doesn't break the bank, this bike has something meaningful to offer you. Yamaha has taken a legendary name, respected its roots, and built something that feels worthy of carrying that legacy forward. The DT is back, and from everything we're seeing, it came back swinging. That's a wrap for today here on Iroon Wheel. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Yamaha DT175, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you content like this. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time, and make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Drop your thoughts on the new DT175 down in the comments. Are you excited about this revival, or do you think Yamaha has more work to do? I read every comment and I want to hear from you. Until the next one, stay safe on the road and off it, keep exploring, and we'll see you soon. This is Iroon Wheel Ride Free.